Hi friends, I'm Olga and you're on my channel Happy Look. Today is part 4, the final video in this series of how to crochet raffia baseball cap with a floral motif. You can find all the video lessons as well as downloadable PDF patterns on my website. The link is in the description below this video. Now we are done crocheting the main cap and we are moving to the finishing touches. The button, the inner sweat band, the buckle strap and also stiffening the visor with a special solution. Let's get started. First we'll take a smaller hook and weave in all the yarn tails. I'm weaving them back into the work like this, pulling the end and securing it with white craft glue. This way is both invisible and secure. With the tails finished, let's move on to the buckle. I'm speeding up the video a little here to save time. I decided to sew it on using the regular needle and the same raffia. I will simply stitch it in, passing the needle through these stitches. We have a dense enough edge here, so the buckle will hold firmly. Insert the needle from the wrong side and sew on the buckle 2 stitches into each spot. In the final corner stitch, I wrap it 3 times, tighten and pull the raffia to the wrong side, where I secure and hide the tail. Let's close the buckle and check how it looks. It's sturdy and looks nice. Now let's work on the visor. It already holds its shape well, but if you want to stiffen it and give it a true baseball cap shape, I'll show you how to do that. Here I have a cap I treated with a stiffening solution, and its visor is firmer. But here you can see I also treated the crown, so it's stiffer too. For this cap I want to leave the crown soft and only stiffen the visor. For that, we'll need some white glue and a little water. We need to mix the glue and water in equal parts and stir it well. I can't guarantee the exact strength because I don't know the quality of your glue, so it's better to start with a weaker solution. If it's not enough, you can repeat the process after it dries with a stronger mix. Ready. Now take a regular sponge, soak it well and apply the solution evenly over the visor. Now do the underside too. The visor needs to be fully saturated. Now you can set it outside to dry. I use the bottom of a plastic bottle and a towel to help the cap hold its shape. Our cap has dried. The crown has stayed soft and the visor is firmer. It has a beautiful shape. I didn't do anything to it after drying, but if you want to give it that classic baseball cap curve, you can steam it and then gently shape the visor like this and let it dry. Look how lovely that is. I'm really happy with the result. I almost forgot. I've already made the bottom. You'll see the video link on how to make it in the top right corner of the screen. Now we need to sew in the inner cotton sweatband. Take the tape, fold the edge, and paste it close to the buckle, right here, and along the edge. See, we have our finishing row here. We leave 2 loops untouched and stitch through these back loops. When we reach the visor, we follow the clear line between the crown and the visor, inserting the needle through these back loops. Continue all the way around, keep inserting the needle through the back loops and finishing there when you reach the start of the long strap. If you want, you can also sew along the long strap to prevent stretching, but I want to do that because I don't want to add weight to the buckle strap. I've already pinned the band in place. Be sure the band lays flat and free with no pulling. Start stitching from any edge that's comfortable for you. I'm using the regular needle and regular thread doubled up. I sew using simple stitches along the very edge, gently catching the raffia loops without piercing through. Continue along the edge, making 1-2 stitches into each back loop. I'm done with this. You can also stitch the band along the other side if you want. We are finished our project. I hope you enjoyed it. You can find all the baseball cap video lessons as well as downloadable PDFs on my website, linked in the description below this video. Happy crocheting! I look forward to seeing you in my new projects. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything. And don't forget to hit that like button. Bye bye!